The sputtering's gone. Most of it. Small hiccup. Maybe 99.9% good. There's a small hiccup. It happens once in a while. Also backfires, which I don't mind. Neighbors love that. You know, I'm kind of lucky it was the 4th of July doing all this stuff. Though the bicycle stores weren't open. The bicycle stores weren't open, and yeah, I had a nightmare with that. That was a nightmare. Freak. All's well, looks good, works good. Just a little quirky, and you have to learn how to ride it. It's got a horizontal kind of suspension in the front now, more like a chopper. See how the rake compared to the neck. Rake, neck. It was quirky in the beginning. Once you learn to ride it, it's exactly the same as it was before. It's a matter of getting used to.